Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn to look at. So this is an RS3L. Now this is actually an EJ&E RS3L. These guys are pretty uncommon and very popular also. This one has really sparked a lot of interest in a lot of people that have known I've gotten it. But anyway, just a standard RS3L. Now it is a Tampa RS3L, which is newer, but you know, it's going to be 1985 and on. But anyway, really good looking horn. It's got really good paint for original paint, and it sounds really good. It's one of the better sounding RS3Ls that I've had in a while, probably, and I plan on hanging on to this one for a while because I did have to pay pretty good money. This did come out of another collection, so this wasn't just a Facebook Marketplace find or an eBay find. This was came from a private individual that I know. So anyway, with an RS3L, of course, you have a 30 or a 25, a 31, and a 44. So that's about it, guys. It is on a diamond manifold, of course. Y'all enjoy this. This is the E&J&E RS3L.